Here's Fun Club presenting to you the Farmyard Bunch. Concept design creation by Meghna Surekha. Once upon a time, in a village so small that you could hardly even find it on a map, there was a small farmhouse standing in an insignificant corner. If you looked very carefully, you would see an even smaller shed right next to it. This shed was old and forgotten and broken down and tinier than the tiniest house. But in it lived a brown cow called Moo Moo.
Moo, brown cow, have you any milk? Yes sir, as white as you please. Turn it into butter or turn it into cheese. Freeze it into ice cream or drink it if you please.
That was a lovely song, Moo Moo. You have a great singing voice. Can you teach us to sing it as well? Children, will you please join in also?
Yeah! Moo, moo, brown cow, have you any milk? Moo, brown cow, have you any milk? Yes sir, as white as you please. Yes sir, as white as you please. Turn it into butter or turn it into cheese. Turn it into butter or turn it into cheese. Freeze it into ice cream or drink it if you please. Freeze it into ice cream or drink it if you please.
Moo Moo worked very hard for many years on the farm. One day, the farmer said to him, Moo Moo, you have spent all your life here on this farm and have served me very well indeed. But it is my wish that you should go out into the world, see new things, meet different people, and make new friends. It is a wonderful world out there, Moo Moo, and you would do well to travel and learn new things. So Moo Moo said goodbye to his beloved farmer.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Moo Moo started on the dusty road ahead. This was the first time that Moo Moo had stepped outside his cozy farm world. But he was keen on going ahead into this whole new world.
आज मैं ऊपर टनन, आसमां नीचे टनन, आज मैं आगे, ज़माना है पीछे. आज मैं ऊपर टनन.
As Moo Moo walked on, he began to think of what he would do in this new world. He knew nothing apart from living in the shed and helping the farmer with his farm work. Then a thought came to his mind. I do have a good singing voice. Maybe I can sing and entertain people and one day become a famous singer.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ.
Still lost in thought, Moo Moo was walking along singing to himself when suddenly Moo Moo was too busy practicing my singing and didn't see you there. Come, let me help you. What's your name? I am Bow Bow.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
What happened to your master?
My master lost all his money and couldn't afford to keep me anymore. So I've been living in ditches and broken sheds and making do with leftovers that people have thrown away.
Why don't you come along with me? I'm going to the city to become a great singer. We could be a team. Okay, friend, let's go. And meet a pussycat drinking milk. Who are you, pussycat? I am Meow Meow. I am a traveler cat and I have seen the world.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair.
Wow, pussycat, we would love to hear your travel stories. We are going to the city to become great singing superstars. Do you want to join us?
Oh yes, of course. You see, I have very sweet, soft voice too, and I love singing.
हम मेरा ही प्यार की चला बनाता पल भर में हो जाएगी हर मुश्किल आसान.
As the animals go ahead, they see a donkey and a horse having an argument and fighting with one another. Hey, friends, what's the matter? Why are you two fighting?
Deju says he is better than me since the farmer needs him more than me. But I am much more faster. I always come first in any race.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे तुम्हारा दौड़ा 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 तुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे तुम्हारा दौड़ा 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 तुम उठा के दौड़ा. टक बक टक बक टक बक टक बक.
from one place to another too. You are old and grey.
Donkey, donkey, old and grey, open your mouth and gently bray. Lift your ears and blow your horn to wake up the birthday sleeping on.
Moo. Friends, let us not fight like this. We are all equally useful since God made each one of us.
We are special, we are special. God made us, God made us. Everybody special, everybody special. God made us, God made us.
We are going to the city to become famous singers. Why don't both of you come with us?
We would love to. हम तेरा ही प्यार के चलना अपना काम, पल भर में हो जाएगी हर मुश्किल आसान.
As the big group of friends are walking along, a sheep is grazing in the field. He calls out to the friends.
Ba, ba. Hello friend, where are all of you going? Is the sky falling?
We are going to the big city, but it may be cold there.
Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for his day, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba, ba, can I come with you please? I want to go to the big city to see how it is.
Sure you can, friend. Come along with us.
हम तेरा ही प्यार के चलना अपना काम, पल भर में हो जाएगी हर मुश्किल आसान.
It is now nearly night time and the sun is setting. The friends are getting weary and tired from their long, long walk.
सो गया ये गधा, सो गया वो गधा, सो गई है सारी बिल्लियाँ, वो सारी बकरियाँ, सो गया है कुत्ता, बो बो.
We need to find a place to rest for the night.
Alright, let's ask the rooster. He seems like a friendly fellow.
Mr. Rooster, can you please tell us where we can find some food and shelter for the night? We've come a long way and we are very tired.
Kukuduku, kukuduku.
I'm sorry, Horsey. I myself am new to this place. You see, I'm a performing rooster and was part of the Gemini circus. But the circus has moved and they've forgotten me here. Can I join you, kind friends?
Cock-a-doodle-doo, my team has lost a shoe. My master lost his favorite stick and knows not what to do. Cock-a-doodle-doo,
Come on, kids.
cock-a-doodle-doo, my team has lost a shoe. My master's lost his favorite stick and knows not what to do. Cock-a-doodle-doo,
Sure you can. Let's go on and find a nice barn to stay in for the night.
हम हैं राही प्यार के चलना अपना काम, पल भर में हो जाएगी हर मुश्किल
a big, beautiful house. As they near it, they can smell the aroma of delicious food cooking there. Momo is joyful at seeing a barn full of hay. Bow Wow sees a nice cozy corner, perfect to rest in. Meow Meow can smell cool jars of nice delicious milk. Yum! This seems like the perfect place to rest for the night. My hooves are too tired to go any further. I want to stay here and taste some of the delicious hay in the barn. Me too. I think we should rest here.
Hey, let's all go and sing for the people in the farm. Maybe if they hear our sweet voices, they will be happy and decide to let us stay here for the night. Since the window with the light is on the first floor, they decide to climb on one another to be able to reach it.
Unknown to the friends is the fact that this barn belongs to an evil witch whom all the village folk are scared of. All the animals then decide to sing at once. The witch then takes one look out over the roof and is just able to make out a huge shadow of a terribly looking monster. This actually is the combined shadows of all the animals, but she thinks there is a huge monster out there making horrible sounds and all too powerful for her.
Let me get out of here fast!
And she zooms away. The animals are so happy here that they decide to stay on.
जब लाइफ हो आराम कंट्रोल तो होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीढ़ी पर जाके रोल। जब लाइफ हो होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीढ़ी पर जाके रोल।
The animals are so happy here that they decide to